Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week I have another special for you just in time for the holidays. This is a centerpiece that I have created using only Dollar Tree products and it is fantastic. I get rave reviews every time I set it either on my mantle or on my dining room table. So simple to put together. You're gonna love it, and I hope you take this plan and make it your own. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get ready with this holiday treat, our Poinsettia Dollar Tree centerpiece. Okay guys, let's get to it. So I've used the centerpiece multiple ways. Most times it's just a single green block, but I want to show you how you can link the green blocks together and create a table-long centerpiece if you choose to. So you have one green block, and then we're going to go ahead and trim some of these pine garland ties. Now the ones that I have in the link are specifically from the Dollar Tree, and they're so easy to use. So you're just going to trim them, give yourself a little section so you can actually implant them into the foam block, and you're ready to go. So one decorating tip is to always place your candle or your addition where you want it on your centerpiece. In this case, I'm sitting my candle right in the center at the top of my foam block, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my pine branches off to the side and around it. I just love these glossy red berry stems that I got from the Dollar Tree. They are a new addition to their holiday supply, so when you see them, grab them quickly. They go fast. These Dollar Tree pine cone picks are a perfect addition. They typically come with at least 3 to 4 pine cones on one bushel, so they're the perfect way to add a little bit of rustic to your holiday cheer. Finally, we're going to add our poinsettia blossoms. What I love about the Dollar Tree is they have such a huge variety of poinsettias. If you want to add a little glitter to it, add a little glitter. If you want to do white poinsettias as well as red, go for it. They even have burgundy poinsettias. So you don't have to just have one color. You don't have to just have one texture. You can make it your own. So if you're decorating a small space, one of these centerpieces is absolutely gorgeous and it costs under $10. But if you would like to make a longer one, you can make 2 separate and attach them with simple kitchen toothpicks. It's so easy. Go ahead and put 4 on one side. Make sure you've left it blank with no additional decor. You connect the 2 and there you have it. You go from 6 inches to 12 inches just like that. Well guys, what do you think? Absolutely blissful holiday beauty. I love it. I hope that you can use a centerpiece as I have year after year. You could even add little ornaments to it if you would like. They have all of that at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is a wonderful source for holiday cheer at an affordable price. Well, if you like this centerpiece, why don't you go ahead and like us? Also, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted. And by all means, if you would like to hang out a little bit more, go ahead and follow us on our social media. And that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. In addition to that, just in time for your holiday shopping efforts, why don't you sign up for your free Rakuten account? Formerly known as Ebates, they pay you to shop. simply go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts. It is just that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that we have some awesome holiday projects on our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you right to it for your holiday project options that are always affordable and beautiful at the same time. In addition to that, you can get more cost-saving tips as well as the free resource library. So head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and check out those projects. It's been such a blast hanging out with you. I hope this project is one that you can incorporate into your holiday cheer. And I'm just so grateful that you guys have chosen to spend this time with us. So until next time, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Happy holidays. God bless.